Welcome to the Charlie Gang Show. It's your modern day angel and vigilante. I got a word for you today. It's a present. I do not like the sound of this marker on this paper. To be present. Your presence is a present. But it's all about how you present yourself to the world. So the first thing I want to say is, are you a present? Meaning, are you a gift? Your likeness, your energy, you, who you show up as when you come into a room around other people. Are you being a gift to people? When you walk in and you like, I know, it's me, humbly and abundantly. I'm here with all positive vibes. I'm here to make sure that we all just moving and grooving and interconnected with each other, just loving on each other. Like, do you notice that your time is a gift? When you know that you're a gift, you know your value. You don't let someone demoralize, devalue, overburden because you know your worth. Then you notice that your time is the most precious and valuable currency that you can ever give anyone. So knowing that, you're not gonna let people play with your time. You're not gonna let all these people come in and say they wanna be in relationships. I know, it's us. I know we cool. I know we look good. I know we're doing what we need to do. But you can't just let anybody come in because they're going to keep doing it, keep doing it, keep doing it, keep taking, keep stealing, and you're going to be left with nothing. When you realize that you are a gift, you start understanding your presence. Your presence is, like I said, what you offer when you come to a room, your worth, your value, your morals, the way you look at life, the way that you want others to treat you. So the platinum rule, treat people the way that they want to be treated. And in return, they're gonna do the same to you. You can't do the golden rule no more. Treat others how they want to be treated. Because if they don't think they're a present, they go treat you just like that Dollar Tree gift. That you are a present, you notice that your presence is that gift. So it's the energy felt around you, how you make others feel. Presence is the now, it's gratitude, it's I'm here, I'm breathing, I feel good, I can touch myself. I got my senses, I got my mind. It's kind of like when you see somebody be like, it's good to see you. And I'm like, yes sir, it's good to see you too, because if I see you, that means that I'm alive. So I'm in my own presence, my own spirit. You know how they say in church, the presence of the Lord is here in the room, all around, omnipresent. I'm making this song up, but you get the point. It's the spirit, it's the energy, it's the flow, it's the vibe, it's the all of that. My favorite one is present. So how do you present yourself to the world? Like, what are your morals? What are your values? What are your thoughts? What do you stand for? What do you live for? But also, like, are you living out loud? And that's my whole declaration. Like, if you're not living out loud, if you're not showing people, hey, I'm different, it's me. I don't care what they got going on. I'm gonna walk in my light. I'm gonna walk in my purpose. I'm gonna do what I feel is right, because it's all about your morals and your values. So you have to take time to yourself to really realize what is true for me. So all the programming that we had from my parents and the education system, then we got our own experiences through experience and wisdom. So now you can figure out, how do I really want to present myself? Not that saying I am who I think I am who I think you think I am. It's who do I think I am? Who am I? Who do I want to be? Who am I? I always stood out. I always was loud. I always was bold. I wear yellow socks, purple shirt, pink hat, and wouldn't care. I don't care what you think. And I've always moved that way. Like my senior prom, I showed up on a tricycle. I rode a kid's tricycle, and I had a bow and a tie on. It's like, be who you want to be. Present yourself who you want to be. Authentically you. So you can always walk in those footsteps. You ain't got to pretend, oh, I'm supposed to be looking like this. Or I'm supposed to be pretending that I'm something like this. You got to be who you want to be, man. Straight, point blank, period. Thank you for joining this short sunrise session. Look forward to doing this a little bit more. It's a beautiful day to be alive. And my wish is that you have an abundance of joy, prosperity, My wish is that you find gratitude in all the small things, all the little moments, and that you see life as an adventure. Because it get rough. It's just like a roller coaster. You just gotta flow and ride with it. It's your time, it's your season, baby. You are a chosen one. If you're watching this video, it's because you're supposed to be. Because you're special, because you're different, because you are the black sheep, because you think different, you move different. And you no longer want to move and groove with the crowd, because the crowd is still where the crowd is and gonna be where the crowd gonna be. So, are you a present? Do you understand your presence? And how do you present yourself to the world? Because it's your world. The Charlie Gaines show, I'm your neighborhood angel. I said neighborhood, modern day angel and vigilante. And I ain't playing out here.